Hi guys, and yes, I am wearing a dress. I am wearing, you guessed it, shorts. I have a new dog. He's really cute. He is just afraid of the camera. He went in my closet. That's what you get shared for keeping your thing open. Your closet door open. Ugh. He doesn't really like anybody except for me. He trusts me. Like, I'll come and get my brother. Ugh, sister, what do you want me to do? Just try petting Wolf. Let me go try and get him. He is right in there. He's right next to the empty basket. I took off my sweatshirt. It was so hot. What? Go pet Wolf! Ugh, fine. Ugh. Okay, I'm checking your camera. Yes, I'm not wearing a shirt under this. Yeah. That is why he only trusts me. Just kidding. I only got one fat dog. The thing that he touched was this. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Just go along with it. He is Here's my little Wolfie. He's so cute. I know. He's a new type of species. I love him so much. I just found him in the wilderness. Like, go in your ball, go in your ball, go in your ball, go in your ball. Sorry, I was not going to pause that for that. Go in your ball. Hide. I found him, like, in the tree. Like this. It was a tree. A tree. And I was like, some teenagers threw some rocks. I'm going to go feel it because it looks funny. I felt it. The most soft thing ever. And then I picked it up. Tail. I was like, And so I started stroking it. And there came along a little Wolfie. You want an egg? Yeah! He can speak for himself. I'm going to give YouTube one first. Dink it. Right? Let's dink. Get an egg. One of these. And I'm going to... Do you guys like the yolks or... One second. I'm going to come back around with one of the other. Woo! So in one hand, I have the white part. In the other, I have the yellow part. This is my left to you guys. This is my right. So go answer. Yellow and right. I don't know. Camera fell. Camera fell. On camera, one of my arms looks so much more tan than the other. And guys, that's true. Okay. So, comment down below now. So, you choose left. That's actually my left. Left? Okay. That's what you get. The white! Go comment down below if you got it right. You guys? They're the exact same. Here you guys go. Please comment down below what... Oh no, the egg's falling down. Please comment down below what questions you want to ask me and little Wolfie. What you want to answer. The first 4 I will choose. Bye.